Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play PUBG Mobile on Gameloop. First, you'll need to download the Gameloop emulator from its official website. It's a straightforward process, just follow the prompts. Make sure your computer has at least 3 GB of RAM and a dual-core processor running at 1.8 GHz for a smooth experience. This ensures your system can handle the game effectively. Once Gameloop is installed, launch the emulator and head to the Game Center. You'll find a wide selection of games there. Search for PUBG Mobile and simply click the Install button. The game will begin downloading, which might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After the download, it will automatically install, preparing you for battle. Now let's talk about controls. Gameloop offers robust key mapping features. Open the key mapping settings, usually found on the right side of the emulator window. You can customize every action, from movement to shooting, to suit your playstyle. For example, you can set F to pick up items or Tab for your backpack. Experiment and save your preferred layout for precise gameplay. To ensure the best performance, open Gameloop's engine settings. For rendering, DirectX Plus often provides a great balance of quality and speed. Allocate at least half of your system's RAM, for example, 8 GB if you have 16 GB installed. Also, set the processor to use all available cores. Disabling anti-aliasing can further boost your frame rate, giving you a competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.